Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this basic sentence starting with I am, we are going to see the lesson 2. First sentence, I am seeing. Na பார்க்கிறேன். Next sentence, I am dancing. நான் நடனம் ஆடுகிறேன். I am speaking. நான் பேசுகிறேன். Next sentence, I am believing. நான் நம்புகிறேன். And the next sentence, I am learning. நான் கற்கிறேன். Then next, the combination of all the sentence that we have seen so far. I am seeing. I am dancing. I am speaking. I am believing. I am learning. Thank you friends for watching our videos at our thoughts, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.